Something's making this run so hot that it's literally burning up. I don't understand.
This is Bobby T, and you're watching Makeshift Garage. You're watching Makeshift Garage.
Welcome back, broskies. Today we're going to tackle a headlight. Don't forget, we paint all day and we hot rod all night. And then in between, we fix the wife's car. This is wrong and that's wrong. You better get that stuff fixed. So I said, let's get it done. So I want to fix this headlight for the third time. And guess what else happened just recently? These shocks that hold this thing up, they don't work anymore. So now I got to order a pair of them and fix it. Meanwhile, until then, I'm going to have to stick something in there and let's see what I could do. Good enough. Perfect. Now, this is the headlight. If I smack it, it will come on. But last time, if I smacked it, it also would come on. And when I pulled it out, it was all burnt. I mean, fried. Right now, if I turn the headlights on, that headlight will come on. This one won't. If I smack it, it will come on. Like an old TV, remember? We used to smack the TVs and they'd start working. Well, that's what happens to my headlight now. Right here, we got one, and this is just a pull up. So it's pretty simple. It comes out pretty easy. The first time I thought it blew, I put a new bulb in it and it worked for about a day or two and then it went out. Then I found a burnt wire in there. So I fixed it and put a whole new end on it and hooked it up and it was fine. And now it did the same thing. So you pull this up and you pull this up and you wiggle and jiggle and you should be able to get this out. And then you just kind of get it out. That's what you do. See, I already taped it up. I ran a whole new wire and a whole new end. This was burned on the last one. Whoa, it's burned again, bro. Come here, look. Something's making this run so hot that it's literally burning up. I don't understand. When I plug it in, it doesn't stay in. And I think that's what's going on. So guess what? I'm going to have to temporarily tape this with electrical tape to hold it in place because this clip is not catching the top of this like it should. For now, we're going to tape it and the light will work and I'll show you that. Give me the... There we go. That should be better. Now, let's see if that fits tighter. If that fits tighter and we tape it up... Yup. Yeah, now when you wiggle it, it don't go on and off. Let me shut the headlights off. We'll tape this up and we'll give it a double check before we put it back together. There you go. Now you just put everything back together. Double check it just for GP. I don't know what I did with my ratchet, so we'll just use this. And I'm going to order a new switch, so let's get it done. But it should work now. Let's see. Let's see. Here we go. So that's how you diagnose and fix your headlights. So if you like what you see and you want to see more, go over to YouTube, subscribe, and hit the little bell. Every time we put something up, you'll get a notification. It's always fun hanging out with you guys. Don't forget, put a comment in, man. We love reading them and we love answering you guys. So until next time, thanks for watching.